Hello students, welcome to Excellence Classes Way of Learning. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.2 question number 1 to 9. Let's start the exercise 4.2. Using the property of determinants and without expanding in exercise 1 to 5. We have to prove that. See clearly, without expanding in 1 to 5. Here question number 1. Let's solve it. LHS is equals to the given determinant x, y, z, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Now here applying the change, C1 is such that C1 plus C2. Then we have clearly x plus a, y plus b, and here z plus c. Now here C2 is same and C3 is also same, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. So here C1 and C3 are identical. So it is equals to 0, equals to RHS, because of using property that C1 and C3 are identical. So the value of the given determinant is 0. Okay, let's see the next question. Question number 2. Here we have to prove that given determinant equals to 0. LHS part is equals to a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. C2 is b minus c minus a minus b. And C3 is c minus a minus b, b minus c. Here clearly we have a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a equals 0. So applying the change, C1 is such that C1 plus C2 plus C3. Then we get here a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. And here b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. Now here c minus a plus a minus b plus b minus c. And C2 is b minus c, c minus a minus b. C3 is c minus a minus b, b minus c. Now in C1, a, b, c are cancel in same condition in all. So we have C1 is equals to 0, 0, 0, and C2 is b minus c minus a minus b, C3 is c minus a minus b, b minus c. So it is equals to 0 because of elements of first column. Elements of C1 are 0. So the value of the determinant is equals to 0, equals to RHS. Hence proved. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. Let's solve it. Here LHS part is equals to 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, 65, 75, 86. Clearly here we have 7 9s are 63 plus 2 65, 8 9s are 72 plus 3 75, 9 9s are 81 plus 5 86. So applying the change, C1 is such that C1 plus 9C2. Then we have C1 becomes here 65, 75, 86, and C2 is 7, 8, 9. C3 is 65, 75, 86. So here C1 and C3 are identical. So it is equals to 0, equals to RHS, because of C1 and C3 are identical. Okay, clear? So let's see the next question. Question number 4. Let's solve it. Here LHS part is 1, 1, 1. C2 is BC, CA, AB, and C3 is A, B plus C, B into C plus A, C into A plus B. Here clearly we have AB plus BC plus CA same in column 3 by adding C2 and C3. So applying the change, C3 is such that C3 plus C2. Then we have first column is same, that is 1, 1, 1. C2 is BC, CA, AB. Now change C3. C3 plus C2, then we have AB plus BC plus CA. Here also AB plus BC plus CA. And here AB plus BC plus CA. Now taking out AB plus BC plus CA कॉमन फ्रॉम C3, कॉलम थर्ड से इसको कॉमन ले लेंगे. Then we have LHS part is equals to AB plus BC plus CA, that is common from C3, into 1, 1, 1. C2 is BC, CA, AB, and C3 is also 1, 1, 1. So here clearly C1 and C3 are identical. So here AB plus BC plus CA into value of determinant is 0 because of C1 and C3 are identical. So it is equals to 0 equals to RHS. Hence proved. Let's see the next question, question number 5. Here we have to prove that. So let's solve it. In LHS part, applying the change, R1 is such that R1 plus R2 plus R3, we have, it is equals to here B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B, that is twice of A plus B plus C. Same in C2, twice of P plus Q plus R. And here twice of X plus Y plus Z. And R2 is same, C plus A, here A plus B, here R plus P, P plus Q, Z plus X, and here X plus Y. Now taking 2 common from R1, then we have here A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, and here X plus Y plus Z. Here C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, and R3 is A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Now applying the change, R2 is such that R2 minus R1 and R3 is such that R3 minus R1. Here easily C plus A minus A plus B plus C, then we get minus B easily. So it is equals to twice of, here R1 is same, A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, and here X plus Y plus Z. Now change the R2 according to R2 minus R1, then we get here minus B, R3 in minus C, here minus Q, minus R, and here minus Y, and here minus Z. Now applying the change, R1 is such that R1 plus R2 plus R3, then we get twice of, here A plus B plus C minus B minus C, that is A, here P, X, here same minus B minus Q minus Y, here minus C minus R and minus Z. Now taking minus 1 common from R2 and R3, then we get minus 1 square into A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. That is equals to twice of A, B, C, P, Q, R, and here C3 is X, Y and Z is equals to RHS. Hence proved. Let's see the next question. Question number 6. Here also we have to prove by using properties of determinants. Let's solve it. Let the given determinant is a delta equals to 0 minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. Let it equation first. Now multiplying each column by -1. Multiplying each column by -1, we get delta equals to -1 cube, because we have to multiplying it by each column. Then here we have minus A 0 minus C, here B C 0. That is equals to minus 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. Let it equation second. Also interchanging rows and columns, interchanging rows and columns in second determinant, in equation second. Then we have delta equals to minus, here C1 is 0 minus A B, C2 is A 0 C and C3 is minus B minus C 0. Let it equation third. Now adding first and third, we have delta plus delta, that is 2 delta equals to value of first, that is 0 minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0, and value of third, that is minus 0 minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. So here these are cancelled. Then we get 2 delta equals to 0, that gives delta equals to 0. Hence proved. Let's see the next question. Question number 7. Here we have to prove that the given determinant is equals to 4A square B square C square. Here LHS part is equals to minus A square BA AC. C2 is AB minus B square CB, and here AC BC minus C square. First easily we have to taking out ABC common from C1, C2 and C3. ABC common from C1, C2 and C3 respectively. Then we have it is equals to ABC, and here minus A B C, A minus B C, A B minus C. Now again taking out A B C common from R1, R2 and R3 respectively. A from R1, B from R2 and C from R3. Then we get it is equals to ABC, and now again ABC into minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1. Now applying the change, R1 is such that 1 minus 1 0. So here R1 plus R2. Then we get it is equals to A square B square C square, and R1 is R1 plus R2, that is 0. Here also 0. Here 2. R2 is same, 1 minus 1 1, and R3 is also same. Here 1 1 minus 1. Now here two entities are 0. So expanding along first row, expanding along R1, then we get this is equals to A square B square C square. Here 2 into these row column block, then we get 1 minus 1. So here A square B square C square into 2 into 2, that is equals to 4A square B square C square equals to RHS part. Hence proved. Let's see the next question number 8, first part. Here we have to prove that it is equals to A minus B, B minus C, C minus A. So here LHS part is equals to 1 1 1 A B C, A square B square C square. Easily we get A minus B, B minus C by subtracting these. So applying the change, R1 is such that R1 minus R2 and R2 is such that R2 minus R3. Then we get here 1 minus 1 0, and here A minus B, here A square minus B square. Now in R2 here 0, B minus C, B square minus C square. Here 1 C, C square. Now taking A minus B common from R1 and B minus C from R2. So taking out A minus B common from R1 and B minus C common from R2. Then we have it is equals to A minus B into B minus C into here 0 0 1, here 1 1 C, and here A plus B, B plus C and C square. Now here two entities are 0. So expanding along C1, expanding along C1, then we get A minus B, B minus C into 1 into these are block. So here B plus C minus A plus B. On solving we have A minus B, B minus C, and here B plus C minus A minus B. Plus B minus B cancel. Then we have A minus B, B minus C and C minus A. That is equals to RHS part. Hence proved. Let's see the next second part of this question. Let's solve it. Here LHS part is 1 1 1, row 2 is A B C, and here A cube B cube C cube. Easily here we get A minus B, B minus C by subtracting the columns. So applying the change, C1 is such that C1 minus C2 and C2 is such that C2 minus C3, then we have here 0, A minus B, A cube minus B cube, and here also 0, B minus C, B cube minus C cube, and C3 is same 1C, C cube. Now taking A minus B common from C1 and B minus C from C2. Then we get A minus B into B minus C into here 0, 1, and here using identity A square plus AB plus B square, because A cube minus B cube is equals to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, and A minus B is common, so left A square plus AB plus B square, and here 0, 1, same B square plus BC plus C square, and C3 is same 1C, C cube. Now in R1 two entries are 0, so expanding along R1, we have it is equals to A minus B, B minus C into 1 into, these are block, so here 1 into B square plus BC plus C square, that is B square plus BC plus C square, minus here A square plus AB plus B square. Okay. On solving, we have A minus B, B minus C, and here B square plus BC plus C square minus A square minus AB minus B square. Plus B square minus B square cancel. Then we have A minus B, B minus C, and here BC minus AB plus C square minus A square. This can be written as A minus B, B minus C, and here B common, then we get C minus A, and here also C square minus A square, that is C minus A into C plus A. That is equals to A minus B, B minus C, here C minus A common, then we get A plus B plus C equals to RHS part. Hence proved. Let's see the next question. Question number 9. Here applying the change R1 is such that easily we get x minus y minus z by subtracting. So R1 is such that R1 minus R2 and R2 is such that R2 minus R3 in LHS part. Then we get R1 is x minus y, x square minus y square, and here yz minus zx. R2 is y minus z, y square minus z square, and zx minus xy. R3 is same z, z square, xy. This can be written as x minus y minus z, z. Here x minus y, x plus y using the identity of x square minus y square. Here y minus z, y plus z. Here z square. And here minus z common, then we get x minus y. Here minus x common, then we get y minus z, and here xy. Now taking common x minus y from R1 and y minus z from R2, into here 1 1 z, here x plus y plus z, z square, and C3 is minus z minus x, xy. Now applying the change, R1 is such that R1 minus R2 to get 0, 1 minus 1 0. So it is equals to x minus y minus z into here 1 minus 1 0, here x minus z, and here also x minus z. R2 is same 1 y plus z minus x. R3 is also same, that is z square xy. Now taking z minus x common from R1. Z minus x common from R1. Then we have it is equals to x minus y minus z, z minus x into 0 1 z minus 1 y plus z, z square, here minus 1 minus x, xy. Now applying the change, C2 is such that C2 minus C3, that is equals to x minus y minus z, z minus x into C1 is same 0 1 z, C2 becomes 0, here x plus y plus z, and here z square minus xy. C3 is same, that is minus 1 minus x, xy. Now in R1 two entities are 0. So expanding along row first, we have x minus y minus z, z minus x minus 1, इसके अकॉर्डिंग एक्सपेंड करना है, minus 1 into here z square minus xy minus z into x plus y plus z, that is equals to x minus y minus z, z minus x into minus 1 into z square minus xy minus zx minus zy minus z square. Z square cancel. Then we get x minus y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx, that is equals to RHS. Hence proved. In next class we will discuss the rest part of this exercise. Okay, clear?